The Sydney Fish Market is a popular tourist destination, attracting over 3 million visitors to its waterside Pyrmont site every year. The fish market is in need of rejuvenation. Over time, it has turned into a run-down, polluted site with a lack of connection to its local community. The Sydney Fish Market is planning to move to an adjacent site. Seizing this opportunity, there is a vision to create a world-class destination, transforming an industrial wasteland into a new home for the Sydney Fish Market. Our vision calls for a well-connected seafood, dining and shopping experience, open day and night. The Sydney Fish Market is currently located on the eastern side of Blackwattle Bay, with westerly views to Blackwattle and Rozelle Bays. This is not ideal, as diners and tourists are often directly exposed towards afternoon sunshine. The new site is situated on the southern side of Blackwattle Bay with a northerly aspect, providing opportunity for a far improved dining and sightseeing experience. The current site is dominated by its car park, which is prone to flooding and has poor drainage. The site has a challenging situation. Both the existing and new sites are adjacent to Bridge Road, which is busy throughout the day. This disconnects the foreshore site from its surrounds, including adjacent suburbs and Wentworth Park. Within the current site, a dangerous conflict exists between retail and wholesale functions, a dangerous situation of forklifts competing for space with pedestrian traffic throughout the site. Separating these functions will be a key consideration in delivering the precinct. As it stands, there is a poor visual and physical connection between the Sydney Fish Market and public transport options. The surrounding precinct is served by many disjointed pathways. A foreshore walk through the site will bring these together into a network of unbroken walking, running and cycling routes, with high visibility integration with the public transport network and the surrounding community. Our vision for the site calls for the grade separation of walking and motor traffic. Separating walking traffic from motor traffic will improve the pedestrian experience, resulting in a far improved active transport experience. Our vision seeks to provide high visibility integration with public transport links, ensuring a seamless travel experience for tourists and locals alike. Carefully balancing competing demands will ensure the delivery of a world-class harbourside precinct for tomorrow's Sydney.